Reporting is going to be a key factor in your business. This is a great way to keep track of what's going on, whether that's with sales, with marketing, whatever area you really need some transparency into, you're going to need reports for it. Now, there are two different kinds of reports in Zoho. There are some reporting in the CRM, and then there's analytics, which you would actually need a developer to build out, and that's where you're going to get your more sophisticated reporting. Today, we're going to go over the reporting that's inside of the CRM. So if you go to your panel on the left-hand corner, we're going to click on the green icon that says reports, and it will bring us to this page. So we're going to see that there are tons of reports that Zoho's already created for us. What I recommend that you do is to use one of the reports that Zoho's already created, and then just filter it and tailor it to what you need. Now, if you do want to create a new report, you're going to click on the plus button up at the top on the left, and we're going to choose a module. So just like anything inside of Zoho, we have to choose a module that we're going to be working on. So let's say the leads, for example, and we can choose a child module here. So let's say I wanted to do all of the emails in the leads. You can do that. But right now we're just going to do the leads, and then we'll click continue. And then there are going to be different columns and different filters. The columns are going to be the data that you see here. So if we want to change data, we can do that. So let's say we can just uncheck the things that we don't want, and then we can check the things that we do want, and it'll change those columns for us. Now, we can also filter the information. So this is really how we're going to get the data that we want. So right now, this is all of the leads that are in the system. So let's say that we want to created time is in the previous fiscal quarter, and the lead source is cold call. Then we'll save that. And if we have any results, it would pop up here. So you can play with that. You can change the filters and things like that. But again, I sincerely recommend that you are using the reports that Zoho created for you. So for example, if I go to lead reports, I have today's leads. I can see the converted leads. So this will show me all the leads that have ever been converted. And then we can filter these. So let's say we want to know the converted day and time is last month. So this will tell us all of the leads that were converted last month. So I can apply that filter, and it would show me if there was any data there. So go ahead and play with this. You can try to create your own reports, but again, I just recommend that you use the ones that Zoho has created and try to filter those and see how it works for you.